Are you interested in history but looking for a more practical master focused on the labor market and learning practical skills? Then the Master Specialization Applied History might be the program for you. My name is Iwona Gusc and I'm a lecturer at the History department. In this video, I'm going to tell you more about the Master Specialization Applied History at the Erasmus University Rotterdam. During the Master Specialization, you will learn how we need to use a long-term perspective if we want to come with sustainable solutions for global problems, and you will gain the skills to analyze and tackle current challenges from a historical perspective. As a student, you will discover that nation-states often use history to create narratives and identities that influence our daily lives. By studying the historical development of global challenges, such as domestic violence, climate change, or gender equality, you will understand how a historical perspective can help policymakers. And you will also learn that you need to be able to collaborate with non-academics as a public historian. Questions you will learn to answer are: how do you create a relevant exhibition about Rotterdam's colonial past? What are the major societal challenges in today's globalizing society? How can history be misused by governments? And how to communicate historical research with the broader public? Applied history is the ideal master specialization for students who are interested in history but also enjoy arts, culture, and communication. The interdisciplinary setup gives you the opportunity to incorporate arts and culture or media courses in your curriculum. And the program isn't called Applied History for nothing. The possibility to take a longer internship gives you the opportunity to apply what you have learned directly into the field. The master specialization takes 1 year, during which you will learn the skills and knowledge to analyze and tackle contemporary challenges from a historical perspective. You will do that in a small-scale, international and engaging environment, guided and supported by our experienced staff. You'll be acquainted with skills such as interviewing, but you will also be introduced to methodologies of the digital humanities and the old-fashioned way of collecting information from archives, museums, and libraries. These are crucial skills when entering the labor market. In Term 3, students have the opportunity to do an internship for 10 weeks. And this can be extended for another 10 weeks. The perfect opportunity to gain more experience in the field and build on your professional network. This gives you a head start when starting your career as an historian. At the end of the year, you will put the knowledge and skills you've gained to the test in your final project. We call it a final project because this can be more than conducting research and writing a master thesis on a topic of your choice. What makes applied history unique compared to other masters is that you can decide to write a smaller thesis in combination with a practical product instead of a traditional thesis. For example, you could create a script for a documentary or detailed outline for an exhibition. Whether you decide to go for a more traditional master thesis or an out-of-the-box project, you will be supervised by one of our experienced lecturers. Students before you did their final projects on topics such as female entrepreneurs in the Rotterdam port, political activism in Iran, and development of Holland-America line. All students present their master projects at the Master Thesis Conference at the end of the year. As an applied history graduate, you are more than ready to enter the job market. You will be a historical professional who knows how to relate contemporary social, cultural, economic and political issues to long-term developments, and you are able to produce short or long-term visions for policy issues. These are qualities that are much appreciated in different jobs, companies and fields. The possibilities are much broader than becoming a teacher or researcher. Our alumni started careers as journalists, policymakers, consultants, and project managers. At, for example, cultural institutions, government, the media, archives, and consultancies. Are you looking for more information about the application deadlines and admission criteria for the Master Specialization Applied History? Please visit our website or come to one of our Master Open Days. Thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you on campus soon!